Hey there, Kyle here with Maple Systems. Today, I'm going to be showing you one of our compact fanless industrial box PCs, the IPC2215A. Let's take a look. Okay, this is what it looks like when you first open the box. Inside, there is a smaller box, and then below that is the IPC2215A. Let's put this aside. Let's take a look at the smaller box. Inside here are some of the accessories. You will also see the Maple Systems warranty and a product brochure. So here are the accessories. Now it does come with a wall mounting kit, which here are the wall mounts, the two wall mounts here. And then there are also some bolts. There are 4 bolts for the wall mount. There are 4 rubber feet. And then also there is a 2-pin terminal block power connector. And then here is the 2215A. Let's take it out of the box, remove it from the foam. It's also wrapped in anti-static. Remove it from the anti-static. Okay, here is the IPC2215A. If you just flip it over to view the bottom of the IPC, here you have your 4 holes here for the 4 bolts. That's how you mount your wall mount plates, which I showed in the accessories. Now flip it over, let's view the front I/O. So right here you have your 2-pin 9 to 36 volt DC power input. Right here is your 3.5mm line out, 2 RJ45 Ethernet ports, 2 HDMI outputs, 4 USB 3.2 host ports. This is one of the few IPCs that has USB 3.2 host ports. And then here are the 2 antenna fixtures for your optional Wi-Fi. Now with the optional Wi-Fi, it also includes Bluetooth 4.0 support. We'll flip it over to the rear I/O. And then right here you have your power switch. Next to that is the power/CPU activity status LED lights. So it shows you your power status as well as your CPU status. And also there are 4 DE9 serial ports, 2 USB 2.0 host ports. Let's flip it to view the bottom of the IPC again. And right here is your model name and your build number. Now, if you want to reorder your IPC, you will need your model name and you will need your build number. Now, next to the build number will be an embedded Windows license or a non-embedded Windows license. In this image, this unit has an embedded Windows license, meaning the product key is embedded and activated for you at our facility before it leaves Maple Systems, so it's plug and play. And in this image, this is what you'll get when you purchase the non-embedded license. You'll get this product key sticker where you'll need to scratch off the gray section to reveal the rest of the product key for activation. And I will share a link at the end of this video to another video showing you how to activate a Windows license. Okay, now I'm going to power on the PC, and I have power supply going into the power connector into the PC, and then I have an HDMI out going into one of our monitor 6000s. This is one of our industrial monitors. This is the 15-inch. So now I'm just going to turn on my power supply, and you'll actually see the green LED light up on the PC. You'll see the Windows logo. You can also see the red LED light for the CPU status, and the user welcome screen pops up. And there it is. Well, that wraps up everything today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial box PC line, you can always visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.